Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Buick Envision key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quite straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. It's a common maintenance item that anyone can do at home with minimal tools. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually on the side. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully twist the screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. It should separate with a slight click, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's fully seated. Test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.